Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of La Jojo Creation Designs. Okay, y'all, so I'm coming to you all today to show you something that you can make in about 5-10 minutes. Okay, it's an abstract earring, and I'm going to be using some aluminum wire, round nose pliers, wire cutters, and I'm not going to be putting any fish hooks in this earring. Okay, I'm basically just going to show you the technique and you're going to get a design. All right, so what we're going to do is you're going to take your aluminum wire and come down to the edge, and you're going to give it just a little bit of indentation. And the length of my aluminum wire, and I'm sorry y'all, I did not mention this, is 11 inches long. Okay, the color I am using is gold. So basically what I'm going to do, once I give it my indentation, I'm going to come and make a loop, but I want to make a nice size loop. I don't want it to be too big or too small. So this is my loop. Okay, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a little bit more indentation, and I'm going to start, once I give it indentation, this is pretty much what it is going to look like. And my reason for doing this is so that while I'm working, I can make my earring nice and stiff. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to start, I'm going to pinch it, start bending it just like this. And once I start bending it on a curve, I'm going to be going back the opposite way, okay? This way. All right, and I'm going to push that up just like that. Okay? So once I push that up, that's what I'm going to have. I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to squeeze it and give it some indentation because I want this to be nice and stiff. Okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to this side and pretty much do the same exact thing. And as I'm bending it, okay, I'm going to take this piece and do just like this and pinch that up like that. Okay, so you all can see it. And this is pretty much what you are going to have. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my pliers and come back again, and I'm going to continue to give it some indentation just like this. And I'm going to come and pinch it down just like that. And as I'm pinching it, bringing it back this way. Okay, wait a minute, y'all. So this is pretty much what you are going to have. Okay. Now, as you can see, our piece is off a little bit. So I'm going to take and come up and snip that just like this and bring it in the center. There you go. Now it's back in the center. Okay, whenever you are doing this, your piece sometimes will go off to the side as you are working. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take, because I want to make a loop, a nice size loop. Okay, and it's actually going to be like a circle. So I'm just making it nice and stiff as I go along. Making it nice and stiff. And let me see, do a little more. Okay, I'm going to take my piece and I'm just going to bring it over like this. Okay, and that's what you're going to have. And then I'm going to take and give it a little bit more indentation, and I'm going to go all the way down. And please be careful when you are doing this, because I have made sometimes been a little bit too rough and have caused me to make my earring over, because I'm squeezing, but I squeeze it a little too hard and I break my wire. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make another loop pretty much the same way, just like this, making my loop. Okay, and this is what your earring is looking like. And then I'm going to come, give it a little bit more indentation. Okay. I'm going to do, because y'all know I do talk a lot, I'm going to make a loop right here. Okay. And I'm going to bring my piece around just like this. Okay. And I'm gonna go and straighten it out a little bit, but this is our end result. This is our abstract earring. Okay. And as you can see, I don't know if you can really see the actual, I mean, you can see the design, but when you use aluminum wire, it have a tendency to, you know, when you're squeezing it, it gives it a different look. Okay. So this is my design. And y'all go make plenty. I haven't seen anything done like this. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you all so very much for taking the time out to make these earrings. It was less than 10 minutes. All right. And if you want to, with this, you can add some beads up at the top. You can put some beads within it. It's so many ideas that you can do with aluminum wire, y'all. So with that being said, I want to say thank you all for watching. If you are new, if this is your very first time here, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. Please subscribe to the platform if you like what, no, I'm not going to say if you like. If you're a person that's coming constantly, subscribe. Subscribe, and that way when I upload more videos, if you hit that subscribe button and you go to the all button, that way you can see every time I upload a new video. Okay, so with that being said, my beloved kings and queens, until the next video, peace and blessings. See ya.